Wondering which heat press is best in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. With so many machines out there, it's hard to choose the right one. But we've done the research, and in this video I'm going to show you why the MaxLaser 16-in-1 heat press machine is downright the best heat press for you to buy this year. In 2025, heat press machines are no longer just about pressing t-shirts. You need a machine that's versatile, fast heating, reliable, and built for creativity. Whether you're doing mugs, caps, plates, or puzzles, your machine needs to do it all. That's why multifunction heat presses are trending. But not all of them are created equal. Some break down fast, others have weak pressure or poor heating elements. Don't waste your money on a machine that's going to frustrate you. Meet the best heat press machine in 2025. The MaxLaser 16-in-1 heat press. A single machine that does it all. Let's break down why this is the best choice. 16-in-1 capability. This machine comes with 16 different attachments. That means you can press t-shirts, mugs, caps, pens, plates, and even coasters if you want to. All with one device. Teflon-coated heat plate. It heats evenly up to 220 degrees, and the Teflon coating ensures no sticking, no burning, and the perfect transfer every time. Slide out design. Safety comes first. The lower plate slides out so that you don't have to burn your hands while positioning the item. Fast heating. Heats up in just 5 minutes, and pressing takes only 2 to 5 minutes depending on the project. Pressure adjustments and digital display. It's designed with default settings of time and temperature for each type of heat press. You can dial in the exact pressure and temperature you need, and the digital display timer makes it super easy and user-friendly, even for beginners. It is perfect for home-based businesses, print-on-demand sellers, schools, or anyone serious about crafting or customization. If you're aiming to start a side hustle or expand on your product line, this machine will grow with you. 2025 is the year of creative entrepreneurship, and having the right tools can make or break your business. That's why we confidently recommend MaxLaser's 16-in-1 heat press machine. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.